Hey, good morning, students. Mr. Short here. This is actually week 10. Today is October the 19th. We're starting the second 9 weeks. So we have finished the first 9 weeks of school, and we are starting the second half of the semester today. If you notice, if you go into your modules on your home screen, you're going to see that you no longer can see the modules for the first 9 weeks. We're starting today with October 19th, which is our Paxton Patterson introduction. Paxton Patterson is a new learning management system that we're going to use this 9 weeks to help us navigate through our distance learning module that we're going to be going over. So the first thing I want to point out here is that this week you have a few tabs here, new student distance learning navigation. If you click on this, this is actually going to be a video that as we begin our introduction into this 9 weeks, you're going to watch this video, and it's going to take you through what Paxton Patterson is. Okay, it's going to tell you, a matter of fact, I'll go ahead and play this for you here briefly, and it's just a tutorial for distance learning, and it tells you about distance learning.
As you work through the distance learning module, there are certain things that you'll need to do as a student.
So that's all you're going to need to do there.
I'll show you how to get started with your very first lesson. I'll also show you how to complete an activity.
There we go. We'll just hit next. So you'll watch that video, and then you're also going to watch this next video, which is introducing you to setting up your account. It walks you through the steps you're going to need to do. You're going to need to set up your Paxton Patterson account. Each of you will set up an account, and that's going to help you navigate through your learning. And I'll give you a little bit about this learning in just a second, about what each module is going to look like. And then again, you have another video here. This is a video that tells you, it actually goes into detail about what each part of the module, the distance learning 1 module, is going to be. When you watch this video, just keep in mind that we're not going to be completing every activity in this module. This distance learning module has a lot of different things, from culinary skills in the kitchen to home maintenance. So we're not going to be doing the things that don't apply to this class. Like, we won't be doing the culinary skills or any of that stuff. But you need to watch this video. It's a lot of good information about what is going to be in the distance learning module. And here is what's important for you guys to know today. Okay, this is how you create your Paxton Patterson account. Okay, and everyone's going to need to do this and follow these steps. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is click on this link right here. I'm going to right click on it and click and select open in a new tab. Okay, and then when you go to that tab, see, it's got my information in there, so I would take that out. So it tells you that you're going to use your school email. Okay, so you would put in whatever your school email is here. Let's just go student at fakeschool.com, and then your password is going to be your lunch number. So you guys are actually going to use, so let me give you a better example. You guys are actually going to use your school email address right here. So I'll put mine in here. Select that. And then your password is going to be your lunch number. Okay? And you'll log in. And see, mine's already set up, so it's not going to walk you through the steps of setting it up. But what you're going to need to do once you enter that, again, your email, you're going to use your school email, you're going to use your lunch number. And there's going to be a button there that says create. You're going to click that create button. Then it's going to ask you to confirm your password. Okay? That's going to be your lunch number again. So confirm your password, put your lunch number in there again, and click create again. Then it's going to ask you to type your name. It's important that you type your name this way, because it's going to put things in alphabetical order for me, make it easier to grade, and make it easier to put you guys in the correct modules. So when it says type name, I want you to put last name, comma, and then a space, first name. So like for me, it would be short, comma, space, and then my first name. Okay, so your last name, comma, space, first name. Then it's going to ask you one more time to re-enter your email. You're just confirming that it's the correct email. You'll put your student email in there. your student school email. And then it's going to say enter course code. This is the course code you will use, 4HRWAC4E. Okay. Then you're going to click Start Learning. When you click Start Learning, that's going to take you to the module that you're going to be starting in. Okay. Here is if you have any questions about that, you can email me, or you can watch this student enrollment video sample. It's a video showing you how to enroll. Okay, it's basically going to go over everything that I just told you here. So like I said, this week we're going to start a completely new module, and we're going to be doing some distance learning stuff. For you guys that are in classroom, we're going to be going over this stuff in person. But this is kind of going to make it a little easier to keep everybody on the same page, but at the same time get some new content. There is a whole new Paxton Patterson curriculum that we're starting, and it's a lot of fun stuff. We talked about it at the beginning of the year. Things like home maintenance fundamentals, computer-aided drafting, introduction to computer science, electronics, 3D printing. These are all fun things that we're going to be able to offer as soon as we are able to get back to more of a normal school day where we're not having to social distance quite as much, and we can work hands-on with partners. But until we get to that point, this distance learning 1 module is kind of the alternative. It gives you a little bit information about several different topics, but at the same time it gives you an opportunity to learn some new material and stay safe and social distance at the same time. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, shoot me an email, message me in Canvas. Other than that, this week we're going to get our account set up. We're going to watch these videos so we have an idea of what we're going to be doing, and we will actually start in the modules next week. All right, you guys have a good day. Thanks. Bye.